Welcome to MFX Center's 2-Minute Trading School. In this video, we'll be talking about why a stop loss hit is good for trading. But before progressing further, let's look at the disclaimer. So, if you're new in trading, you may be thinking, what is a stop loss? In a textbook style, stop loss is simply a limit order where a trader wants a loss rate to be automatically closed if the price level is touched. So, does that mean a stop loss hit equals to losing your money? Exactly it is. So you might be asking, how stop loss hitting is good? For that, you just need to sit back and relax as I will explain why stop loss hit is good and also can make you more profitable. First of all, it protects your capital from unexpected loss. Yes, that is the most important thing, because if you are in a trade and trade goes against you, all your capital will be gone if you don't have a stop loss. Second, it gives you a hint about next profitable entry. So you might be thinking, how is that? For that, you need proper placement of a stop loss. That is above or below the recent swing points with a gap of 10 or 15 pips. So if you just review it a bit more, look at here. If your stop loss is hit over here and you are in a buy trade, then you'll be looking forward to sell and make more money while selling the price. So now let's take a look at the real chart. We are in buying over here, and then our stop loss is hit with buffer, and then we took sell entries. So what about the correction period? It was about the trend. So what about the correction period? So in the correction period, we see when we are buying, we had a stop loss, and when we counter traded it, it was a great profit. So stop loss not always leads to losing your money, but sometimes it also leads to greater profit than what you have lost in your previous trade. For better trading results, a trader must understand where the probable stop loss area could be and how volatile is the market. To know more of such amazing trading techniques and improving your trading results, subscribe to MFX Center's YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon. 2 minutes a week can change your trading results. And for comprehensive trading course with lifetime membership and expert support, join MFX University with exclusive limited time discount offer.